Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we are standing not in front of a vapor honing machine, even though it looks very similar. This is actually a hydroblast. Now this is made from the same type cabinet as our Weekend Warrior 800 base and 800 FL. So it's the exact same size cabinet. The biggest difference with this machine is there's no media in this. This is simply a high pressure parts washer. So if you're familiar with our wet blasting equipment and the nozzle inside of it, this is a totally different type of nozzle, and that's because there's no media here. This is the off position, push forward. If you step on the pedal, you're just gonna get a dribble of water out. But if you pull this thing back, you're gonna get about 1500 PSI coming through here. And this thing actually has a heater built into it, so your water is heated. It uses a low foaming aqueous-based detergent. As far as degreasing parts, this can degrease parts in a matter of seconds. So before you put it into your wet blast machine, if you want to degrease these parts so you don't have all that grease and grime going into your wet blaster, this is the perfect way to do that. Can also be used as a post-treatment. So once you're through wet blasting, you can put it back in here, hit it with 1500 PSI and clean any media or anything that could possibly be left behind from your wet blasting. You do have the hose in the wet blast to hose it off, but it's not 1500 PSI. So when you combine this and about 117 degrees of water temperature with a low foaming aqueous-based detergent, you can't find a better parts washing machine anywhere on the market. If you have any questions or comments, please give us a call, 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.